Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite tiramisu cake. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by adding 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to 1 cup of hot water. Mix it to fully dissolve and allow it to cool down. Once our coffee has cooled down, I'm going to be adding 1/4 of a cup of Mexican coffee liqueur, mix and set aside. Now for our mixture in a bowl, begin by adding 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, or you can use cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk. Now depending on how sweet you want your cake, then it depends on how much you're going to add. I like to add about 10 ounces. Along with that, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Now whisk until smooth. And in a different bowl, whip the 1 cup of heavy cream until stiff. Now slowly add the mascarpone mixture and whip it until combined. And just like that, we have our filling, so now we can put our tiramisu together. I'm going to be using a springform pan. I added parchment paper on the sides, and now quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cool coffee and begin to layer the bottom of the pan. Cut some of the ladyfingers to make them fit. Now spread the mascarpone mixture, repeat another layer of ladyfingers and the remaining mascarpone mixture. Once it's put together, cover and refrigerate overnight or for at least 6 hours. Now remove the pan and sprinkle your favorite cocoa powder, and just like that, we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is honestly super easy. It's hard to mess it up. It's so delicious. It's honestly perfect. I promise you, you're going to love it. So I am so ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. I am so ready. Let me tell you, this is honestly perfect combination of the coffee, the cream, the cookies. It's the best. Seriously, the best. The chocolate, the cookies are perfect. They're not soggy. They're still put together. The cream, so creamy. It's not too strong. Of course, if you want it to be stronger, you can add more coffee. But for me, this is perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious tiramisu. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.